My name is Mia. I am the youngest child of a farming family in the foothills of Mount Merbabu. Since I was a child, I loved helping my mother cook in our small kitchen. I always dreamed of becoming a chef, and I told my father I wanted to learn professional cooking. He said nothing. I knew it wasn't because he didn't support me, but because we simply couldn't afford it. I didn't give up. After I graduated from high school, I started working in a small food stall in the city, saving money little by little for a cooking course. During breaks, I taught myself English using secondhand books and videos I borrowed from the library. I knew that if I wanted my dream to soar, I had to prepare my wings. Years went by. I finally got the opportunity to work in a 5-star restaurant in Yogyakarta. There, I learned so much, not just about cooking, but also about discipline and hard work. One day, I heard about a scholarship for an internship at a prestigious restaurant in America. My heart leaped, but I hesitated. Could a village girl like me really make it there? I remember my mother said, "My dear, dreams are like planting rice. If you nurture them with care, they will bear fruit. Don't be afraid to try." Her words became the fuel for my determination. I applied, and with many prayers, I was accepted. My first day in America was like a dream come true. I stood in front of a grand restaurant. My hands trembled as I opened the door. Inside, I met amazing chefs from all over the world. At first, everything was difficult. The language, the culture, everything felt foreign. But whenever I felt homesick or discouraged, I remembered my mother's cooking and my father's smile. That's what kept me going. I may be far from home, but my heart always returns to the little kitchen in the foothills of Mount Merbabu, the place where it all began. So, if you have a dream, chase it, no matter how far. Because if you believe and work hard, even a village girl can conquer the world.